Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Tally Prime and loading the company. This gets your data in view. Once done, open Display, go to Account Books and select Ledger. This limits output to one account. Now press Alt+P to jump into print options. Make sure your printer, paper size, and format, detailed versus summary, are chosen. This matters because format controls what columns print, and correct printer settings prevent cutoffs. Set the date range next, so only relevant entries appear. Next, enable narration so voucher descriptions appear with each entry. Go to Print Options and set Show Narration to Yes. While there, adjust column widths and margins, and choose Portrait or Landscape to fit long narration text. This prevents truncation. Use Print Preview to inspect how narration flows with amounts and dates, and export to PDF for a consistent file. You should check headers, page breaks, and row spacing. This step ensures readability and preserves context for auditors or clients. Finally, choose Print or Export to PDF and confirm the page count and alignment on a test copy. If narration does not show, return to voucher configuration and ensure Show Narration is enabled at both voucher and print levels. Sometimes one overrides the other. For text cutoffs, reduce font size, increase margins, or switch to landscape. This solves most layout issues. If printer errors persist, restart Tally Prime and the printer, then rerun the preview to verify corrected output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.